So next point we will see the instrumentation of spectrophotometer. The general block diagram of spectrophotometer. It consists of light source, collimator, lens, entrance slit, exit slit, cuvette, and detector. So this is the general block diagram. So first we see the source, light source. So the most commonly used light source in UV visible spectroscopy is tungsten lamp. And also use hydrogen or deuterium lamp. Important feature of tungsten lamp, it is the constantly energy output. So we control the voltage. So here it is the light source. Second, we will discuss the monochromator. So in monochromator, it consists of lens, this collimator lens is used. Second, entrance slit and exit slit. These the two slits are used. Suppose entrance slit and exit slit. This is the collimator lens. So the lens, this is lens is collect all the radiation is come from this source. So this and it direct into the monochromator entrance slit. So the light is come from this light source. Rays is come from this light source, is collected by this collimator lens and directly goes to this entrance slit. Entrance slit has small hole. Then the light is goes to prism and exit slit. Then we place sample in cuvette and detector. So exit slit, here exit slit and prism. Prism, it is the refractor of light. The one light source is come to prism and the replicate the light source. This is the replica of light sources. This form in the prism. So prism, it consists of grating. So grating, prism, it consists of grating. Grating are the dispersal unit. So it has the metal block like unit and it consists of direct this type of groove. When a light source is come, then it's refracted in its many replica. So the grating, this is the we use grating. Grating, it consists of large parallel line on aluminium or the glass sheets. So when light is come to this grating, it is refracted. So if one line is come, there is a many similar wavelength line is refracted. So we got many lines from one line. So next, after this prism or grating, there is a exit slit. So exit slits is blocking all the dispersed radiation except the selected radiation are goes. Next point is the cuvette or sample place. The cuvette is made up of generally in colorimeter we use the plastic cuvette, and in a UV or spectrophotometer we use the quartz or fused silica cuvette. Cuvettes are the glass tube that we insert the sample. These are the cuvette. Cuvettes are square or like the shape. So these are the cuvettes. So after cuvette there is the detector system. So there are various type of detector used in the spectrophotometer. Those detectors are photomassive tube detector, photodiode tube detector, photomultiplier tube detector. So generally various type of detector used. Photomassive type of detector, that is the phototype detector. Second, photodiode tube detector and photomultiplier tube detector. These detectors are used in this spectrophotometer or colorimeter instrument. So the detector are work like this. When the radiation is come, here one is the photosensitive bulb. This is the photosensitive bulb. This is the anode and cathode. So here apply a specific voltage. If the radiation is come or bombarding this electrode, so by the radiation, by the electron, here the fluctuation of voltage. So from that fluctuation of voltage, we measures the its current. Next, photomultiplier tube. In photomultiplier tube, electrode covered with the photomassive material. It is the silver material or other material. It contains number of plate. That is the number of plate is known, denoted as the dynode. So there are 10 dynode inserted in a one tube. Suppose here is a come from this radiation. It multiply this radiation and we measure the small fractions of the voltage changes. So it measures the small wavelengths. In the photomassive tube, you are not measure the small quantities or small fractions, but in the photomultiplier tube, we measure in the small quantity. So we'll see the all instrument parts of spectrophotometer. So first we see the light source. Next, colorimeter lens entrance slit, exit slit, cuvette, detector. Source generally use, it required a stable source and continuous radiation source. So we use the tungsten lamp. Tungsten lamp are like in our home lamp. There are two electrodes. They are hitting the high temperature, so it involves the radiation. So these radiation are collected by collimator lens. This is the collimator lens. So after this collimator lens, the radiations are dispersed to entrance slit. Here is a small hole. The radiation is goes to the this prism. Prism, it consists of the grating. Grating, it is the, when light is comes from this prism, it is the refracted. So in the grating there are many grooves. So many lines are form the replica. So these are all going to exit slit. After exit slits is come to our sample. There is the cuvette, detector. So this is all instrumentation and general brief introduction of spectrophotometry.